Viewers, good evening. Thank you for joining us on India Upfront. Atishi will be the next Chief Minister of Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party held a legislative party meeting ahead of Kejriwal's resignation, and in that meeting, all present MLAs unanimously backed the proposal for Atishi to succeed Kejriwal for the time being. Kejriwal, by his own admission, is only demitting the CM's post as he wants to appear in People's Court and win another mandate in Delhi elections. Viewers, as per the AAP chief, he wants a certificate of honesty from the people of Delhi before he can become Chief Minister again. And this was apparent in his successor Atishi's remarks, where she said her only goal was to restore Kejriwal to his CM seat.
मैं सबसे पहले दिल्ली के लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता मेरे गुरु अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूं, जिन्होंने मुझे इतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी दी और इस जिम्मेदारी के लिए मुझ पे भरोसा किया.
Whether it is Atishi or anybody else or Arvind Kejriwal's wife who becomes the leader here, everybody knows the remote control will be in Arvind Kejriwal's hand. So, and Arvind Kejriwal is the person who has been exposed and in a sense has been exposed for the kind of corrupt politics that he practices versus the clean politics that he preached and came and got people's votes. So therefore, people are under no illusion whether it is A or B or C who is the chief minister, that it is Arvind Kejriwal's party. Arvind Kejriwal holds the remote control.
आज ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है कि कौन सीएम बन रहा है, मुख्यमंत्री नया बना है. इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने आज रिजाइन किया है, तो टेम्पररी मेजर के लिए कुछ महीनों के लिए आतिशी जी को जिम्मेदारी दी गई है.
आतिशी का पूरा नाम क्या है?
आतिशी मरलेना.
मुझे वही तो पता लगा कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. मरलेना, मार्क्सिस्ट और लेनिन नाम को जोड़ के मरलेना बनाया. दिल्ली को कोई मार्क्सिस्ट लेनिनिस्ट चलाएगा क्या? हम आतिशी मरलेना कौन है क्या है मेरा उससे मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन विचार अफजल गुरु का तो फांसी हुआ. अफजल गुरु को फांसी नहीं होना चाहिए. पार्लियामेंट में अटैक किया, इनोसेंट लोगों को मारा, लेकिन फिर भी उसको फांसी नहीं लगना चाहिए करके आतिशी का ये परिवार वालों ने ही तो पूरा ये सिग्नेचर कैंपेन चलाया है.
इस 2-3 महीने की वैल्यू इतनी है, या शायद 1 महीने की, कि जब तक केंद्र सरकार चुनाव नहीं कराती, चुनाव आयोग चुनाव नहीं कराता, जो हम चाहते हैं जल्द से जल्द हो जाए, तब तक हम में से एक साथी उस कुर्सी पे बैठेगा. ऐसे बैठेगा जैसे भरत भगवान राम के सिंहासन पे खुद ना बैठ के उनकी खड़ाव रख के जो है शासन चलाते थे. ऐसा है
कि अब जो आज होने वाला है वो है सोनिया मनमोहन मॉडल या लालू राबड़ी मॉडल. मतलब कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ही असलियत में पावर सेंटर होंगे, पर चेहरा कोई और होगा. मतलब डिफैक्टो सीएम वही होंगे, डिजोर सीएम कोई और होगा. मतलब जैसे सोनिया गांधी जी मनमोहन सिंह जी के नाम पर सरकार तो वही चलाती थी, वैसे ही केजरीवाल जी चलाएंगे.
Now viewers, let's tell you the larger story. Many of you will remember just over a decade ago, Arvind Kejriwal resigned from the post of Delhi Chief Minister for the first time. Just think back to how different things were then. The AAP had formed a government in Delhi against the odds. At that time, it had the winds from the Anna movement beneath its wings. Kejriwal had controversially taken support of the Congress to form a short-lived government. But he then got carried away, sought to challenge Narendra Modi in Varanasi, lost very badly, came back to lead the AAP to a spectacular victory in Delhi, and has remained Chief Minister ever since. Viewers, still today, Arvind Kejriwal was the Chief Minister. Think about it, viewers. For whatever it's worth, Arvind Kejriwal has been Chief Minister of Delhi for nearly 10 years. He stayed Chief Minister as well as Party Chief, even as most of his Aam Aadmi Party co-founders quit. He stayed Chief Minister through all the troubles of his party mates who were jailed in alleged scam after alleged scam. He stayed Chief Minister through the entire period of his own incarceration in jail. He clung to his chair while Delhi suffered as a result of most of the cabinet being behind bars. To drum up support for himself, he even joined hands with all the same parties and characters he had previously opposed, whether they be Congress or RJD or Samajwadi Party. And many even speculated that Kejriwal would follow the Lalu Rabdi model by making his wife Sunita the chief minister. All things considered, his move in appointing Atishi as a placeholder is more akin to Nitish Kumar and Jitan Ram Manji rather than Lalu and Rabdi. But that's missing the point, viewers. The real takeaway from this entire episode isn't who's in power and who's the chief minister. It's not about certificates of honesty, but certificates of completion. It's not about the next elections, rather it's about here and now. The real takeaway, viewers, was apparent in Atishi's first remarks after being declared chief minister designate. While she professed undying loyalty to Kejriwal and waxed eloquent about his sacrifice, hardly anything was said about providing for the people of Delhi the Aam Aadmi. In fact, Atishi said that the priority is to make Kejriwal the chief minister again. Viewers, hasn't the national capital suffered month after month of misgovernance and neglect? Whether it's overflowing drains and basements or the toxic air and water? Aren't there debt traps all around? Is this what the citizens of Delhi deserve? Let's open it up. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, the National Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Ishtaran Bhandari, political analyst, advocate, Dr. Piyush Joshi, political analyst, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, and Kamru Zaman Chaudhary ji completes the panel. Gentlemen, good evening. Mr. Sirsa, why is the BJP calling this rule by proxy? Why do you believe that while Atishi will be the chief minister, Arvind Kejriwal will have the power?
No, it is not we are saying, it is Atishi herself said कि मेरा तो एक ही मकसद है अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को फिर से मुख्यमंत्री बनाना. So it is not that BJP is saying, it is Aam Aadmi Party and Aam Aadmi Party's chief minister Atishi Marlena herself admitting कि मेरा एक ही मकसद है अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को दोबारा चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाना. And second most importantly, the Punjab government till date, Bhagwant Mann is just a chief minister by the face, but the real power lies with Arvind Kejriwal ji and his coterie here in Delhi. So the same model will be operated there in Delhi also, and Atishi ji is just a face, and the compulsion is because the Honorable Supreme Court, while granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal ji, said that you cannot go to your office, you cannot hold the chair of chief minister, you cannot sit there, you cannot sign a file. That was the compulsion which forced Arvind Kejriwal ji to resign. Otherwise, he would have never resigned, he would have even died in his dreams. And now he is creating a kind of impression कि मैंने बहुत बड़ा sacrifice किया दिल्ली के लिए. When he was in jail, everybody was saying that you should resign. In fact, he himself said कि मैं चुनाव में जाऊंगा, लोगों से पूछूंगा जेल या बेल, तो लोगों ने कहा नो बेल, गो टू जेल. तो जेल जाना पड़ा, 7 सीटें हारे. अब वो नौटंकी कर आतिशी जी को चेहरा बनाया है और आतिशी मारलीना को चेहरा बनाया है, लेनिन मार्क्सिस्ट को एक चेहरा बनाया है और उस परिवार को चेहरा बनाया है जो देश को तोड़ने की बात करते थे, जो अफजल गुरु की फांसी की माफी की बातें करते थे. आपने सभी अपनी बातें इसमें रखी. आप सोचिए क्या कभी को कल्पना कर सकता है कि दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा ऐसा हो सकता है?
लेनिन का नाम लिया, विवेक श्रीवास्तव की हंसी छूट गई.
ऐसा लगता है
विवेक श्रीवास्तव हंस रहे हैं. आप मार्क्स और लेनिन की बात कर रहे हैं, विवेक अफजल गुरु की बात कर रहे हैं, विवेक श्रीवास्तव को हंसी आ रही है.
लोग रो रहे हैं.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, व्हाट इज सो फनी अबाउट इट?
इनको दे आर सो स्कैर्ड. कितना डर है इनको मार्क्स से, लेनिन से, समाजवाद से, वर्कर्स के आंदोलन से, किसानों के आंदोलन से, उन सिख फार्मर से जो बैठ गए थे बॉर्डर्स के ऊपर. कितना डर है सिरसा साहब को. एक मतलब कहां ये समर्थन कर रहे थे उसी किसान आंदोलन का, उसी मार्क्सिस्ट लेनिनिस्ट लाइन का जो वर्कर्स और किसानों के आंदोलन की बात करती है. आज ये कह रहे हैं साहब इनको डर लग रहा है. आज इनको धर्मवादी सोच चाहिए, एक कम्युनल सरकार चाहिए जो हिंदू मुसलमान की बात करे. वो इनके एक टोन और टेन्योर को सूट करता है. इसलिए मुझको हंसी आ रही है कि वक्त के साथ इंसान कैसे बदलता है और सिरसा साहब कैसे बदले. और दूसरी बात है, अगर वहां पे उन्होंने एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री चुनी है, ये उनकी पार्टी का मामला है. उनकी पत्नी आती तब आपको समस्या, कोई और आता तब आपको समस्या, महिला आई तो समस्या, महिला नहीं आती तो भी आपको समस्या. अरे आपने जो भी कोशिश करी थी बाय मिसयूजिंग द ईडी एंड सीबीआई, आपको एक करारा तमाचा भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पड़ चुका है. अब आप कोशिश
नहीं,
करिए
विवेक
कि
श्रीवास्तव,
आपकी
1 minute, 1 minute, Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute, Mr. Sirsa, 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava, before we bring in Dr. Piyush Joshi, Vivek Srivastava, it is interesting that Aam Aadmi Party is part of Team India, so is the left, and the Congress had filed the original complaint against Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party, in the Littergate. Don't forget that. So while Congress filed that complaint, the left here is giving clean chit to Arvind Kejriwal. Have you forgotten the conditions imposed by the Supreme Court? You just think about it. No, I don't want to. Listen, Vivek Srivastava, it's okay. You can take your time, think about it. Let's bring in the Aam Aadmi Party. 1 minute. Let me bring in Dr. Piyush Joshi. Dr. Joshi, did you hear the two ministers, Atishi, who's a minister, will now be the chief minister, and Saurabh Bharadwaj. Saurabh Bharadwaj compares Kejriwal to Lord Ram. He says, Bharat ke tarah khada ho rakh ke hum chief minister ki gaddi chalayenge. Atishi in her first remarks said, my priority is to see that Arvind Kejriwal is back as chief minister after election. Aam Aadmi ki kahin baat hi nahi ho rahi hai.
So, I can only praise the statements made by Saurabh Bharadwaj and Atishi. And I have my reasons to do that. In the times of very ambitious backstabbing and deceptive political personalities, here are two loyal generals of Arvind Kejriwal who actually have faith in their leader, unlike Lalkrishna Advani ji and Modi ji. So if they are devoted to their leader, if they derive inspiration from Arvind Kejriwal spearheaded the whole movement under the guidance of Honorable Anna Hazare ji, and then
by the way, Anna Hazare hasn't said, if you really go through what Anna Hazare said about Arvind Kejriwal, you would not be talking about Anna Hazare.
I know, and why won't I be? There is always difference of opinion. So there was a difference of opinion between Arvind Kejriwal and
Anna Hazare has accused Arvind Kejriwal of backstabbing him. That's not just difference of opinion, Dr. Joshi. Now come on.
How did he backstab him just by forming
that
a
is
political party?
That is for Arvind Kejriwal to reason with Anna Hazare.
That is where I have a difference of opinion from Anna ji, but that doesn't reduce my respect for Anna Hazare ji. Anna Hazare ji is a respectable figure, but I have a difference of opinion. In a country run by democratic norms, if you want to bring a change at a larger level, like the Delhi education revolution, like the Delhi primary healthcare
revolution. Let's get to the point. Dr. Joshi, the question I asked you, where is the Aam Aadmi in all of this? The Aam Aadmi did not figure in what was said by the two ministers, not at least in their opening remarks. You were talking about loyalty to the leader. What about loyalty to the voter? Uska jawab kaun dega?
भाई लॉयल्टी ऑफ द वोटर का जवाब तो आप जब चुनाव में जाएंगे तो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा ना. आप आपके काम के ऊपर तो वोट मांगेंगे. इफ देयर इज वन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन दिस कंट्री who, when they go to their electorate, ask for votes in the name of the work they have done, that is Aam Aadmi Party. What was the Kejriwal campaign plank in 2020? कि भाई यदि मैंने काम किया है तो वोट देना, काम नहीं किया तो वोट मत देना. And what was the BJP's campaign plank? Shaheen Bagh, Shaheen Bagh, Shaheen Bagh, Shaheen Bagh, Shaheen Bagh. BJP's top political leaders were talking like bus conductors कि भाई Shaheen Bagh, Shaheen Bagh, Shaheen Bagh, Shaheen Bagh.
Bus conductor मतलब क्या? Bus conductors are not supposed to air their opinion. Let's not be, sir, please. Let's mind our language. Dr. Joshi, please.
Classical example of
ऐसे तो मत दीजिए, sir. Don't berate the Aam Aadmi. Bus conductor. By the way, bus conductor. 1 minute, sir. Bus conductor is also an Aam Aadmi. ऐसे मत करिए. Don't berate the bus conductor.
And those are the people who voted for us. All I'm saying that in an election, speech should be different from the shouts of a conductor, right? That is what I'm telling. Election speech में आप बात करोगे ना, आप जनता का जीवन कैसे आसान करोगे.
अच्छा, वो इलेक्शन स्पीच में इस तरह वो इलेक्शन स्पीच में आम आदमी की पार्टी आम आदमी की बात करेंगे. आज तो पॉलिटिकल स्पीच था, आज वो लीडर की बात करेंगे.
I am not surprised that bus conductor is being used as a pejorative example because, of course, when the Aam Aadmi Party started, it started with mufflers and Wagoner cars and promises of not taking government accommodation and saying that anybody who is even accused should resign. all that has been swept under the carpet, so it's not a surprise. But this Arvind Kejriwal resignation and the new chief minister has three aspects to it: legal, moral and political. Legal, I've been telling you, after the bail conditions imposed by the Supreme Court, which is akin to, in a sense, preventing somebody from performing the full functions of a chief minister, then there are two options left. Indira Gandhi imposed emergency when the Supreme Court did not give a full stay, got a partial stay. So there was no other option but to either resign or impose emergency. Now a chief minister cannot impose emergencies, so he has to resign, otherwise you cannot fully perform your job. The second aspect of this is the morality. Morality, I don't think so can be called into question, because a new politics, a politics of ending corruption, became a politics where you will say, I can be in jail, which not Lalu Prasad Yadav did, which not Mr. Hemant Soren did, but you will be in jail and you will still say, I am the chief minister. So that's a new definition of morality now, and one does not know what future chief ministers in jail will do with this as a precedent now. The third aspect is political. There I would say Mr. Kejriwal is a smart politician. You do not win elections 3 or 4 times without being a smart politician. So after resigning, he will try by his political, in a sense, leaving the post, to say the morality question and the legality question can be washed away, and it will of course be on BJP or Congress to say no, there was no other option, and for the voter to decide on the political question. One last line. With the way that the new chief minister has come and is saying that I will do this to ensure Arvind Kejriwal becomes the chief minister, or the sort of statements being made by the Aap Aadmi supporters, it shows there is no democracy left. They came for democracy, but it's a one-man party which is being said by the leaders themselves. So that also must be taken into account, how they wanted to make it a democratic party and what has actually happened in practice.
Okay. Mr. Sirsa, I'll come back to you, sir. Let's quickly bring in Kamruzaman ji. उन्होंने अभी तक कुछ बोला नहीं है. Mr. Chaudhary, Harun Yusuf, the senior Congress leader, he said Arvind Kejriwal is trying to mislead public. पिछले 3 दिन से सीरियल की शूटिंग चल रही है. ये हारून यूसुफ कांग्रेस के बड़े नेता हैं, उन्होंने कहा है.
Now, absolutely, you know, today as I debate on this particular topic, there are 2 aspects to it. I and the people of Delhi as well as the country are missing Sheila Dixit very badly. The only female chief minister that Delhi had last time, and how she changed the entire landscape of Delhi, it's all for there to see. This is one part of it. And second part of it, the ED made the arrest in the liquor gate scam after the CBI made some arrest on that. And it's already 2 to 3 years that the arrests have been made, charges have been filed. My question is, why is the cases not coming to a fruition, completion out here? What is the drawback that the CBI and ED cannot fulfill right now? Secondly, most importantly, I congratulate Atishi ji for becoming the second female chief minister of Delhi. And remember, she is the only second sitting chief minister of India right now after Mamata Banerjee. After Mamata Banerjee, she is the
third woman chief minister. BJP की भी chief minister थी.
Okay.
Yeah, late Sushma Swaraj. कोई बात नहीं, but
okay, my point is not that. My point is a different issue altogether. Yeah, the point is here is that the Bharatiya Janata Party have begun to attack the female chief minister of Delhi, Atishi Marlena, out here, linking her with all those Lenin, Marxist philosophy, with Afzal Guru's theories of her parents and all these things. They are bringing out here. This is the actual charitra of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Before I get Mr. Sirsa to respond to that, I just have a straightforward question. When Congress leaders, with the likes of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, accuse Mamata of vote bank appeasement, do they doubt her character, integrity? What do they do? Insult a woman?
No, basically when same Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary by a slip of tongue called the Honorable President of India.
I am asking about, forget that. I am asking about what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says about Mamata Banerjee.
No,
just apply your logic.
You cannot forget it.
But Kamruzaman ji, Mr. Chaudhary, just apply your logic, sir. You see, the political compulsion weighs so heavy that you can't even get yourself to make a cogent argument. You see, that's the problem. Because you have 2 yardsticks. Double standards, yes, sir.
Classic narrative.
Of course it does. Of course.
It does not suit your narrative. That's
It's
why.
not about my
Because
narrative,
you
sir.
cannot
I don't
attack
come here with a
female
narrative.
Chief Minister
1 minute. I
Atishi
come here with
in
facts.
Such a derogatory
Mr.
language.
Chaudhary,
Linking her name,
Mr.
her
Chaudhary,
parents.
Mr. Chaudhary, I come here with facts, sir. I leave the narrative to political parties. 1 minute. But if there is a narrative which is dangerous to the idea of India, I'll be the first one calling it out. Now, Mr. Sirsa, answer the question that the Congress is asking. कि आप महिला मुख्यमंत्री जो बनने वाली हैं उसका अपमान कर रहे हैं.
देखिए, इनका तो नया नया अभी उनके साथ रिश्ता बना है. इन्होंने अलायंस किया, पंजाब में कोशिश की, फेल हुआ, दिल्ली में कामयाब हुआ, सातों सीटें फिर भी हार गए. तो इनका तो आजकल नया नया उनके साथ अलायंस का, इसलिए इनकी तो बस में ही नहीं है. ये बेचारे खुद कंप्लेंट करके भूल जाते हैं कि शराब घोटाले की कंप्लेंट इन्होंने करी थी. तो मैं इनको क्या बोलूं. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टुडे इज दो स्टेटमेंट जो आज मैं समझता हूं कि बहुत रेलिवेंट हैं फॉर टुडेज डिबेट. वन इज डे बिफोर यस्टरडे व्हाट अरविंद केजरीवाल सेड कि शहीद भगत सिंह ने, मैं शहीद भगत सिंह की तरह कुर्बानी दे रहा हूं. शहीद भगत सिंह ने पार्लियामेंट के अंदर असेंबली में बम फेंका था लोगों को जगाने के लिए, गोरों की आत्मा को जगाने के लिए. और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने असेंबली से ताकत लेकर शराब का घोटाला किया और घर भरा. क्या आप समझते हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को शहीद भगत सिंह जी के साथ तुलना करनी चाहिए? और आज तो उन्होंने सारी सीमाएं नांग दी. बोले प्रभु राम की तरह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की खड़ाएं रखकर हम दिल्ली की चल गए. अरे भाई, किसकी खड़ाएं? शराब घोटाले वाली खड़ाएं? कौन सी खड़ाएं हैं ये? कौन से ब्रांड की खड़ाएं होंगी? कौन से शराब ब्रांड की खड़ाएं की आप बात कर रहे हैं? आप प्रभु राम के साथ अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का मुकाबला कर रहे हैं. आप कुछ तो सोचिए, आपको राजनीति में किस हद तक आप चले गए हैं. और फिर कहते हैं हम धर्म की राजनीति नहीं करते. ये वही अरविंद केजरीवाल हैं जो 15 अगस्त वाले दिन स्कूल के खड़े होकर प्रोग्राम, जब बच्चे, स्कूली बच्चे उनके सामने खड़े हैं, वहां कह रहे हैं कि देखिए आज मुसलमानों को खतरा हो गया, ये टोपी को खतरा हो गया यहां पे. और अभी आप कह रहे थे हम धर्म के नाम राजनीति नहीं करते. ये वही अरविंद केजरीवाल हैं जिन्होंने कहा कि मैं तो अयोध्या नहीं जाऊंगा, और फिर सारा दिन पाठ भी कराकर कांड किया और टीवी पे लाइव टेलीकास्ट किया.
करप्शन एलिगेशन है अरविंद केजरीवाल पे, आप उनकी तुलना
ये
लॉर्ड राम से कर रहे हैं.
ईमानदार आदमी है. नो, जस्ट गिव मी 10 सेकंड्स.
ओके,
जस्ट टेल मी 10 सेकंड्स, 10 सेकंड्स, 10 सेकंड्स, जस्ट गिव मी 10 सेकंड्स. देश में ऐसा कौन सी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, ऐसा कौन सा ईमानदार आदमी है कि दिल्ली का आधा बजट उसको ईमानदार सिद्ध करने के लिए लगाया जा रहा है, और ये कह रहा हो करोड़ रुपए की टीवी पे ऐड लाई जाए कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ईमानदार हैं इसलिए टीवी पे ऐड चल रही है. ये तो पहली बार ऐसी ईमानदारी देखी है. और हाई कोर्ट से लेके, सुप्रीम कोर्ट से लेके, लोअर कोर्ट से लेके तीनों कोर्टों ने कहा है इस केस में कि ये अरेस्ट जो थी ये लीगल अरेस्ट थी. मींस व्हाट? that he was supposed to be arrested because he was in the liquor scam. ये लीगल अरेस्ट थी, इसमें कुछ इलीगल नहीं हुआ. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपनी रूलिंग में कहा है. और ये पहली बार है 75 साल में कोई मुख्यमंत्री अपनी कुर्सी पर नहीं जाकर बैठ सकता, क्योंकि करप्शन इतना लिप्त है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट मजबूर होगी कहने के लिए कि तुम अपने दफ्तर नहीं जा सकते,
डॉक्टर जोशी
कर सकते. ये ईमानदारी की नई मिसाल है, और ये नई ईमानदारी के नए प्रोटोकॉल सेट हो गए हैं.
बहुत सिंपल सी बात सिरसा जी ने बोली है कि भगवान राम से तुलना कर रहे हैं, भगत सिंह से तुलना कर रहे हैं. नोबडी इज कंपेयरिंग केजरीवाल विद लॉर्ड राम, एंड नोबडी इज क्लेमिंग दैट ही इज भगत सिंह. बट यू डिराइव इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम योर आइडियल्स, डोंट यू? You want to be like them, you want to lead your life like them. You don't like, you don't derive inspiration from Bhasmasurs. You don't derive inspiration from all the asuras who have backstabbed their teachers and then taken their seats. Okay, so you derive inspiration from people whom you admire, from your ideals.
1 minute, Dr. Joshi, 1 minute, 8 minutes. Bhasmasur, teachers students disciples who've backstabbed their teachers. अरविंद केजरीवाल अन्ना हजारे को मानते थे अपने टीचर?
आज भी मानते हैं.
आज भी मानते हैं. अन्ना हजारे ने क्या बोला? अच्छी बात है. नहीं, 1 मिनट, अच्छी बात है. आप कह रहे हैं कि आज भी मानते हैं. डॉक्टर जोशी सुन लीजिए, देखिए, आई विल गिव यू चांस टू रिस्पॉन्ड, डोंट डू दिस. अन्ना हजारे कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने मुझे बैकस्टैब किया.
देखिए,
क्या भस्मासुर हो गए अरविंद केजरीवाल?
देखिए, what political office did Anna Hazare held? What political office did?
I am not saying it. Anna Hazare said it. Let me read it. No, let me read it out. मैं आपको पढ़ के सुना देता हूं. देखिए, I had great hopes from the young and educated Kejriwal and felt that young people like him will create a corruption-free nation. But he has dashed all my hopes. देखिए, आप बैकस्टैबिंग की बात कर रहे थे, ये गुरु अपने शिष्य के बारे में बोल रहा है. अब आप बोलिए, भस्मासुर बोलेंगे आप?
देखिए द मेन
कौन हुआ भस्मासुर?
अरे कौन हुआ भस्मासुर? ये बात भस्मासुर देखिए,
या अभी आप एग्जांपल दे रहे थे डॉक्टर जोशी.
I am giving you an example. Do you even know the story of Bhasmasur? So let us go into
Of
that
course I
story,
know.
You know? Oh, but then you know Bhasmasur was dancing himself and then placed his own hand on his head.
Then
You
why
know,
were you
copying
giving that
someone.
examples?
Copying someone. I was not quoting anything. I was saying you derive inspiration from your own ideas. You do not derive inspiration
Acha,
from Bhasmasur
okay.
and other Asur. That
Okay.
is what I said. From backstabbing disciples,
Okay.
you don't do that.
Answer a simple
So,
question, Dr. Joshi. Dr. Joshi, 1 minute. I don't think anybody on this panel or anyone watching this broadcast will object to the Aam Aadmi Party's move of appointing a woman as chief minister. I don't think even your worst critics, fiercest critics will oppose it.
Pranesh,
अच्छी बात है ना, महिलाओं को आगे आने का मौका दिया. चीफ मिनिस्टर,
foremost, Pranesh.
1 minute, Dr. Joshi.
Every-
I'm saying a good thing. I'm saying a good thing. It's commendable on part of the Aam Aadmi Party that you've chosen a woman to be the next chief minister. Now, here's a simple question, sir. आपको लगता है आतिशी सिर्फ ये इंटरिम में ही चीफ मिनिस्टर बन सकती है? What is the rush to bring back Arvind Kejriwal? इतना ही आपको भरोसा है? Let Atishi continue.
Just, you know, all I'm saying here is very simple thing. It's not complicated at all.
No, my question is
First,
not complicated
I got
either.
your question. I got your question. I'll give it the justified answer as well. You know, so just wait. The main thing is that first, all the BJP's pundits were saying that Sunita Kejriwal is going to be the chief minister क्योंकि केजरीवाल शीश महल नहीं छोड़ सकता, शीश महल छोड़ देगा तो पता नहीं कौन सी सुनामी आ जाएगी, कौन सा बांध फट जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा, फलाना and all that. Now and I was maintaining the same thing that it is going to be one of the MLAs and it's not going to be Sunita Kejriwal who's going to be the chief minister. It's going to be one of the MLAs who's going to be the chief minister.
That's okay.
So
That's not a favor either on the Aam Aadmi or on Atishi.
So he has handed over the baton to someone who's experienced, who has come through the electoral politics, who has served the people of the country, who has served as an
Dr.
architect
Joshi,
of the educational
Dr. Joshi, 1 minute. Dr.
And
Joshi,
if it
8
is
minutes.
Atishi's desire,
But you're not
if it is
answering the
Atishi's
question.
desire
I am
that
with you. I am endorsing everything you're saying about Atishi.
I am
I am
answering
saying
your
why is she
question.
getting this interim run as chief minister?
I am answering
Why
your
is this
question.
condition that after election Arvind Kejriwal will be back? Why? Do you think Atishi is not capable enough?
Atishi is more than capable enough.
Then-
but if Atishi herself wants,
हरसेल्फ कहाँ है? आपने पहले ही बोल दिया, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पहले ही बोल दिया कि मैं आऊंगा, उसके बाद what do you expect आतिशी to do?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता बॉस.
Of course बोला. Should I play out the reaction? अरविंद केजरीवाल ने बोला
no.
कि इलेक्शन के बाद मैं वापस आऊंगा. He said it.
Okay.
Dr. Joshi, I can play it out if you want.
In 30 seconds. Now, can you allow me to reply in 30 seconds? What Arvind Kejriwal has said that he is looking for vindication from the people of Delhi about his own stature, about all the claims that have been made against him. He is fighting two battles. One is a political battle, another is a legal battle. So political battle is to be fought in the court of the people of the country, and the legal battle is lawyers are fighting in the courts of
But the conditions have been imposed by the Supreme Court, not by the voters. Why are you not?
That is why.
Ishkaran made it clear in his arguments that the two things are separate. 1 minute. Even if you sir, 8 minute. Electoral victory जो है उससे अगर आपको लगता है अरविंद केजरीवाल जीत जाएंगे तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट out of fear will say all these conditions will now not remain. ये ऐसे नहीं होता है डॉक्टर जोशी. There is a system around which we have to work. But you're not answering the larger question. What is the problem in continuing Atishi as the chief minister? Why is this 3 month or 4 month? I don't know. ये experiment क्या है? This is tokenism, isn't it, Ishtaran?
Ramesh? Absolutely. It shows that you will only have a woman chief minister as a stopgap arrangement, not as a permanent arrangement. The second aspect, which is very important, even in 2024 election, when Mr. Kejriwal was on interim bail, he went to people and said, आप मुझे वोट दो तो मैं जेल नहीं जाऊंगा, वोट दोगे तो जेल नहीं जाऊंगा, वोट नहीं दोगे तो जेल जाना पड़ेगा, whatever he said, all that. You remember those statements there. And the people did not vote for him. Yet, the Supreme Court gave him bail. Similarly, whether people vote for you or don't vote for you has no bearing on whether you committed a crime or you did not commit a crime. Example is Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav. He won elections. Mrs. Rabri Devi became chief minister. Yet he got convicted incidentally in UP era. So please let's not mix the two topics. And one last thing which is very important. I keep repeating that That is that you started by moral politics. Now it is usual politics, which some moves are smart, some are not smart, and the people of Delhi will decide. But at least on the moral plank, it is completely demolished.
Vivek Srivastava, is this a fair argument that Arvind Kejriwal,
See, I'll tell you.
Arvind Kejriwal stands accused of betraying both his mentor and Mahila by this token chief ministership that has been offered to Atishi?
Okay, so that means I think we all agree over here that the BJP has no chance and it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is going to win again. So you should first of all, congratulate the Aam Aadmi Party Pravakta sitting over here for declaring Aam Aadmi Party a winner in the elections of February. Now it all depends. It is for their party to decide. It depends upon the court judgment.
I am asking you a larger question.
Let the court give a
1 minute. Do you think Atishi deserves to be the chief minister only for a few months?
Yes.
Vivek Srivastava?
Okay, my counter question, what stops Mr. Kejriwal from taking a national role, traveling all over the country and doing something better for his party? What stops him? We don't know, na? So it has to be left to Mr. Kejriwal and his party.
Of course we know.
One thing
Taint
is very
stops
clear,
him,
the
sir.
BJP is on back foot.
Taint. Corruption taint
The
stops
BJP is on
Arvind
back foot.
Kejriwal. Vivek Srivastava.
It is already a national party.
Corruption taint
I mean,
that started with
people
a
of
letter
Delhi,
written by the
Pranesh,
Congress,
on a
your
serious
ally.
note,
You are still not answering the question. Do you endorse this
Listen.
token decision?
Absolutely.
No, 1 minute, sir.
Absolutely.
This token decision of appointing Atishi as chief minister for a few months. Don't you think she is capable to have a full term as chief minister?
Yeah, of course she is capable, but I mean, it is for her party's parliamentary board to decide.
Party's
They have a
parliamentary board. 1 minute.
If
As
Mr.
someone who
Kejriwal doesn't
advocates
want to
women's
be-
rights,
No,
1 minute.
hypothetical.
Are you not aghast?
Yeah.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता? अभी तो आप बोल रहे थे नारी शक्ति,
About what?
महिला सशक्तिकरण, women empowerment. You should be supporting.
हमने बोला।
No, why don't you ask Dr. Joshi
बिल्कुल,
the question I am
बिल्कुल बोला।
asking? What is the harm if Atishi continues as chief minister even beyond elections?
okay.
What is the problem?
Why don't you ask? Why don't you ask Narendra Modi to step down and have a woman prime minister for this country? Why Narendra Modi? What is special about Narendra
You
Modi?
should set an example.
Let us talk of women empowerment through the BJP
1 minute.
first.
No one.
Let Mr. Sirsa answer.
No. I will.
हटे ना नरेंद्र मोदी।
I will let
बनाए
Mr.
ना
Sirsa
महिला prime
answer that
minister।
question. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. You should set an example. Let's start with Atishi and then ask the question of the BJP.
You tell me clearly. Are you in favor of a woman prime minister?
I am asking you. Of course. Why not?
Sir.
Why not? I am saying I am in favor of a woman prime minister. I am in favor of a woman prime minister. Should Atishi get a full 5-year term?
Okay, great. I mean, if they fight
कहाँ
the
से आ गया?
election
मैंने तो
under
if
the
नहीं बोला,
leadership
मैंने
of
if नहीं
Atishi,
बोला, अब if
if
कहाँ
they
से आ गया?
fight-
विवेक
No,
श्रीवास्तव, I
listen,
did not
listen,
say
listen.
if.
जब आप
Where is the
सुन
if
लीजिए
and
सर,
but now?
जब आप
Where
लोगों
is
के
the
भी-
where is the
मुझे
if and
बोलने
but
दीजिए।
now?
ना मुझे बोलने दीजिए 10 सेकंड चाहिए 10 सेकंड सर
आप 30 seconds
10 सेकंड
दीजिए,
सर
बोलिए।
10 सेकंड प्लीज डोंट इंटरप्ट जनता के बीच में जब जनता के बीच में कोई भी पार्टी जाती है एजेंडा लेके जाएगी अगर आम आदमी पार्टी ये एजेंडा लेके जाती है कि वोट दो
मैं बताता हूं।
मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद को
मैं बताता हूं।
बनाएंगे तो अरविंद को बनना चाहिए
By
अगर आम
this,
आदमी
विवेक
पार्टी
श्रीवास्तव,
ये एजेंडा लेकर के लोगों के बीच में
You
जाती
believe
है
Arvind
कि आतिशी को
Kejriwal
बनाएंगे,
has the
तो
mandate?
आतिशी को
1
बनाना
minute,
चाहिए।
sir. 1
It
minute. You
depends
believe
on
Arvind Kejriwal has the
whose name-
mandate? You believe Arvind Kejriwal has the mandate?
Yes, as of
Then
now,
why
yes.
why did he step down?
Yes.
Who asked
But
him?
for the Supreme Court ruling which has just come.
What did the Supreme
that
Court
is
say?
because of the. No, I mean, see.
The Supreme Court did not ask him to step down. Vivek
The Supreme
Srivastava,
Court has not said
Vivek
that he is
Srivastava,
guilty,
you know,
number
don't
one.
do this.
The Supreme
No,
Court-
don't do this.
Yeah,
You stand
but the Supreme
exposed,
Court
Vivek
has not said that he is
Srivastava.
guilty
The
also.
Supreme Court, no, what are you saying? That
Yeah.
Kejriwal is too tainted, too
how
corrupt
am
to
I
be the chief
exposed?
minister? Are you saying that? The Supreme Court did not
No, absolutely
tell him to
not.
step
No.
down. The
Nobody can
Supreme
say
Court
it
did
because
not
the
ask
Supreme
him
Court
to
has not
step down.
said it.
Then why are you assuming things?
Yeah, fine.
Is this not a
So
stunt?
that is his own decision.
His own
That is his
decision
own
now.
decision.
He can make a decision
going
for
to go
himself.
in the
How?
middle of the-
No, 1 minute.
Yeah,
If he
it is his
decides
own
to make
decision, it is his
Atishi,
party's
1
decision.
minute, sir,
There is
Vivek
a-
Srivastava,
they have
if he
a-
decides,
yeah.
if Arvind Kejriwal decides to make Atishi chief minister
Yes.
for a few months, what is it? Does it not amount to tokenism?
Yes.
It does. Great. Thank you.
No, it
we'll
will
have to move
also
on.
be that their party
Viewers, we
will-
have another issue to discuss. We'll have to move on. I thank some of you. Mr. Sissa, thank you for joining us on debate number 1. We'll have to move on.